श्री H.D. देवेगौड़ा जी। No. Now, please, आप बैठिए, please.
Sir.
Now, H.D. Devegoda ji.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to start my speech with Vande Mataram. Sir, yesterday the debate was in Lok Sabha. I heard the marathon speech of the Prime Minister. I also went through the newspapers. I do not want to make any lengthy speech. Sir, Vande Mataram is a song that has inspired many generations.
By keeping the time
of
in my
Indians.
mind and sage in my mind, I called him.
No.
No, you please continue.
If there is any objection...
No, I don't think so, any objection. They were just thinking like that.
Sir, I would like to start again. Vande Mataram is a song that has inspired many generations of Indians. Even today, this 150 years it was published, it moves as greatly. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote this song in Bengali, but since it had so much of Sanskrit in it, it could be followed in the rest of the nation, rest of India. But more than the actual words and the music that has been set to, it is the sacred spirit of the song and its Atma and its soul that has united Indians in the past and continues to unite them today. Sir, I often ask myself as to why, when so much literature has been written, only a few songs like Vande Mataram live favor in our heart. Sir, the reason for this is not just the power of the words and meaning, but it is pure Atma. Sir, I like the soul never dies in Hindu culture. It is the Atma of this song that makes it eternal. Sir, I am similarly moved when I hear the Kannada state song Nadagite Jaya Bharate Jananiye Tanujate. It was a song of one late Kuvempu that was adopted at this state song in Karnataka. Again, it is the rich and soul of this song that has made it a very special in the heart of Kannadigas. Bengali nationalism came to a greatly influence Indian nationalism and Vande Mataram was a powerful component of the nationalism that inspired the rest of India. Sir, each state of India now has a state song which draws its spirit from Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata. Sir, and Bhuvaneshwari became mother and sister, daughter. Though this great song, the spirit united India and continues to unite India. I learned Vande Mataram was made popular by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, who gave us our national anthem. We himself sang it first at a Congress session in 1896, even before Mahatma Gandhi was part of the Congress, and Nehru was only 8 years old boy. The fact that the Tagore gave this song to the nation is another special blessings. Vande Mataram has been sung in many different ways over many years. It heard Tagore's redemption in internet yesterday. It is so different from the way it has been sung now. If I can make a recommendation to the Honorable Prime Minister and the government, I would suggest that in the 150th year of the song, we should record 150 ways of singing Vande Mataram in 150 different music traditions of this very rich and diverse nation. That will be a great tribute to the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, and our freedom fighters who kept the spirit of India's independence alive through this song and passed it on to all of us. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jairamji, you heard his speech?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, Trichy